Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. The video I wanted to post a video earlier today, but I had like errors with like YouTube or something for some reason. But I just wanted to post some free sauce for you guys. So I did post that free sauce on XRP. Actually, I haven't even checked where XRP is. We should be pushing up, right? Yeah, I think we're still like in the same exact price, really. But XRP should be cool for like a while. But I'm just letting you guys know that the dollar is gonna drop. We're officially gonna be closing a bear week on the dollar in 4 hours and 30 minutes. The last time that happened, the dollar actually ended up dropping, or actually, going down a pretty nice amount, right? So this is that first wick, right? The first bear candle was a really high long tail there to the upside. So last time we actually closed that bear week on the dollar, we went down $4 in 28 days, and then again we dropped again $4 in about 28 days. So I can definitely see the same thing happening this time, where we drop $4 in about 28 days or so from now. So 28 days, 28 days, $4.12, $4 and yeah, I'd say probably like right there. So yeah, I think the dollar is probably going back to like a 103.4, maybe somewhere around that range. That's gonna be my guess. But more importantly, this basically means a long test out of the stock market. I'm essentially calling a bottom for now on the market. I think we'll I think we'll push on the market towards the upside, maybe for the next like month or so. That's what I'm guessing. But yeah, I'm officially calling a top on the dollar, which in reverse basically means that I'm officially calling a bottom.